Good evening, students. How are you all? I hope you all would be fine as usual. Students, after your recommendation once more, today I bring for all of you an interesting story as well. That name is होनहार बिरवान के होत चिकने पात मीन्स होशियार बच्चे के लक्षण बचपन से ही दिख जाते हैं. इट मीन्स coming events cast their shadows before. So, without getting late, let's start this interesting story in English. महापुरुष अपने बाल्यकाल से ही अपनी असामान्य प्रतिभा का परिचय देने लगते हैं. द जेंटलमैन शोज देयर एक्सप्रेशन फ्रॉम हिज चाइल्डहुड. सामान्य बालकों को की अपेक्षा वे अधिक मेधावी तथा तीक्ष्ण बुद्धि वाले होते हैं. They are more intelligent and naive too, more than general and common boys. ऐसे ही बालकों के लिए कहा गया है कि for such boys it is said that होनहार बिरवान के होत चिकने पात coming event cast their shadow soon. ईश्वर चंद्र जो बाद में विद्यासागर तथा दयासागर के नाम से विख्यात हुए, ईश्वर चंद्र who got named later by the name of विद्यासागर after that दयासागर, बचपन से ही अपनी विलक्षण प्रतिभा का परिचय देने लगे थे. He was multi-talented since his childhood and he showed his expression from his childhood too. ईश्वर चंद्र का जन्म बंगाल के मेदिनीपुर जिले के वीर सिंह ग्राम में हुआ था. द ईश्वर चंद्र was born in the Bengal. ईश्वर चंद्र का जन्म बंगाल के मेदिनीपुर जिले के वीर सिंह ग्राम में हुआ था. ईश्वर चंद्र was born in the Bengal in the small district which is named by Veer Singh village. पाठशाला की पढ़ाई पूरी करके वे अपने पिता के साथ आगे की पढ़ाई करने के लिए कलकत्ता के लिए रवाना हुए. After completing his schooling, he left with his father to the Kolkata for studying further. उस समय सवारी का कोई साधन न होने के कारण वे पैदल ही चल रहे थे. At that time there was no any carrying transport, so he decided to walk by foot alone with his father. रास्ते में उन्हें एक मील का पत्थर दिखाई पड़ा. In the middle of the way, he saw the milestone. After few minutes, उन्होंने अपने पिता से पूछा. He asked from his father कि यह क्या है, that what's it, और इसमें क्या लिखा है, and what has written in it. पिता ने बताया कि यह दूरी बताने वाला. His father told to him at a stretch that this is the meter of distance. मील का पत्थर है. This is called by milestone. इसमें 19 लिखा है. The 19 is written in it. The 19 has written in it. इसका मतलब है कि it means that कलकत्ता यहाँ से 19 मील दूर है. The Calcutta is more than 19 mil away from here. इसमें अंग्रेजी गिनती में 1 और 9 लिखा है. In this stone, here is 1 and 9 has written in English letter. आगे जाने पर फिर मील का पत्थर मिला. After going little bit far, he again saw the milestone again. ईश्वर चंद्र ने कहा, then ईश्वर चंद्र said, पिताजी फिर यह 18 होगा. Dear father, this would be 18 again, surely. और इसमें अंग्रेजी के एक और 8 लिखे होंगे. And there will be written 1 and 8 surely in this milestone. पिताजी ने कहा. Then his father said, हाँ ऐसा ही है. Yes, so be it. You're right. इस प्रकार बालक ईश्वरचंद्र प्रत्येक मील की गिनती बताता रहा. Just like that, he told every of the distances inwards to his father after going ahead. 10वें मील के पत्थर तक after 10th milestone पहुंचने पर after reaching at that near that milestone, ईश्वर चंद्र ने कहा कि then ईश्वर चंद्र said to his father कि मुझे अंग्रेजी की गिनती याद हो गई है. That I have learned the English letters thoroughly. मैं 100 तक गिनती लिख सकता हूँ. I can definitely and surely write 1 to 100 writing letters in the copy or anywhere if I got a chance. पिता को आश्चर्य तो हुआ. His father had really very confused at that moment. फिर उन्होंने उसकी परीक्षा लेनी चाहिए. But in mind he planned to take his test also. जब 6वां मील का पत्थर आने वाला था, when it was likely to come the 6th milestone, तब वे ईश्वर चंद्र को दूसरी ओर ले गए. Then he changed his way with ईश्वर चंद्र ताकि वे उसे ना देख सके. Rather that child may not see that math letter, that how many digit has been written in that milestone. 5वें मील के पत्थर पर पिता ने पूछा कि इसमें क्या लिखा है. After coming the 5th milestone, the father again asked to his child that what has been written in it. Can you tell me surely? बालक ईश्वरचंद्र ने कुछ देर उसे ध्यान से देखा. After that, Mr. Ishwarchandra looked that milestone very clearly and carefully. फिर कहा and then said after some time कि इसमें गलत लिखा हुआ है. That there is here is something mistake. Dad, इसमें 6 होना चाहिए. Here should be 6. किंतु 5 लिखा गया है. But here has been written the 5. यह सुनकर उसके पूर्व पाठशाला के शिक्षक जो उसके साथ ही जा रहे थे, by listening this, his old teacher, who was also coming with him on the way, was so confused after listening his math tricks. ईश्वर चंद्र के सिर पर हाथ फेरते हुए उनके पिता से बोले. His teacher patted his hand on that child and said to his father that आपका यह पुत्र असाधारण प्रतिभावान है. Your this son is really very talented from his knowledge. आप इसकी पढ़ाई लिखाई का विशेष ध्यान दें. You should be careful of his education thoroughly ताकि आगे चलकर यह महान व्यक्ति बने. Rather he may be a great leader and everyone just like me also. और आगे चलकर यह महान व्यक्ति अवश्य बनेगा. Now he'll be surely become a great man in his future. So students, I state to you two types of translation rather you may not be confused. आगे चलकर ईश्वर चंद्र सचमुच ही महापुरुष कहलाए. In future, Mr. Ishwar Chandra really got famous and he was thoroughly become the great leader in his future. So students, I hope you will be surely entertained after this moral one story. So without getting late, let's make me promise that you won't forget to like, subscribe and share my this one video and further one as well. And before one is more necessary than this one. So see you in next video. Dear English.